Match the means of transport and color them with their path. Aeroplane, car, boat, train, ship.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.